After a long time of sticking with the Cbr 600RR and Cbr 650R as the mainstays in the middleweight class, now a hot rumor has emerged from Japan. Honda is reportedly preparing something completely new, the Honda Cbr 656RR, a full-fairing sports bike with racing DNA and a completely different engine from the previous generation. Is it true that Honda will shake up the middleweight market with this bike? For your information, Honda has been playing two cards in the middle class. The Cbr 600RR as a pure supersport with a 599 cubic centimeters four-cylinder engine and high performance, and the Cbr 650R which is more street-friendly, although still has a four-cylinder engine. But the gap between the two has opened up a gap, and the Cbr 656RR could be Honda's answer to fill that gap. The Cbr 650R is indeed very popular for beginners and intermediate riders, but it is not aggressive enough to compete with the Yamaha R7 or Aprilia RS 660, which bring modern performance and features. Well, this is why the rumors of the Cbr 656RR are so interesting. According to leaked reports from Japanese media, Young Machine, and several European automotive forums, the Cbr 656RR will use the latest 656 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine developed from the CB 650 base, but with major revisions in the powertrain and ECU sectors. In terms of design, the Cbr 656RR will likely carry a design language similar to the Cbr 1000RR Fireblade, with an aggressive fairing shape, narrowed LED lights, and a sharp rear end like a motorcycle. Internal sources say Honda is testing a prototype of this motorbike in Europe with the code RC65M, which is believed to be the basis of the Cbr 656RR.